Guys, I just found another cryptocurrency project that you could check. And this is also another Pepe project that is actually very interesting. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Pepe Palm Beach. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Their token name is actually PPB, so Papa Beta, and it's presenting a cryptocurrency project that is built on the Ethereum blockchain with a focus on community engagement, ecosystem development, and real-world brand visibility. And believe it or not, guys, they actually have their own merch, and if you click on this one, it will take you directly to where that is. Okay, so right here, and these are the ones that they will be selling, so stay tuned with that one. Some really cool merchandises. I wish they also included like a custom cap that carries the name Pepe Palm Beach, because when you are in when you're outside and if the sun's shining, a cap would be very, very useful for that one. So this project is actually distinguishing itself through the activities that extend beyond the digital space. Okay, so it's highlighting the initiatives that are connecting online communities with physical events and practical experiences. So one notable milestone associated with Pepe Palm Beach is its sponsorship of a VIP tent at the National Polo Center in Wellington. And guys, of course, you gotta go ahead and check out their website. Make sure to always do your own research. As you can see, they are doing their pre-sale and you still have 6 days left. Okay, so you gotta make sure that you are always doing your own research. Make it quick, that way when you decide that this project is something that you want to be invested in, you would still be able to get it at the lowest possible price. So if you click on the about, guys, okay, if you click on about here, it will take you to the site where it will give you as much information as you can about Pepe Palm Beach. So this is one of the areas in their website that you could gather a lot of information that talks about this project. All right, so guys, let me show you some articles that are talking about this Pepe Palm Beach meme coin. So here's from Binance Square. Look at that. Pepe Palm Beach reveals PPB token ICO and lifestyle meme coin launch. All right, so link to this will be in the description of the video, guys. Another one from Street Insider. So Pepe Palm Beach reveals PPB ICO and lifestyle meme coin launch. Look at those. Wow, look at this frog right here with the, actually has a nice cap right there. Okay, so it has a ton of information that you could actually include in your own research. Another one from Big News Network, guys. Okay, look at that. Gosh. And then here is from USA Wire. So again, guys, make sure to include these in your own research. You also have the links. Okay, you have the X, Telegram, Instagram. You even have the contact person. Look at that. Company name, website, email, city, and the country is Canada. And then this is another one from Chronicle Journal. So you could go ahead and check those all out, guys. All of these will be in the description of the video. Make sure to do your own research. Again, this is not financial advice, purely educational and informational purposes only. So make sure to always check out all the necessary information. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. So the pre-sale phase officially began recently, and it marks that early stage in the project's development. So according to publicly shared materials, future ecosystem features include staking functionality and an instant referral system that is utilizing the ETH token. And guys, if you have watched the previous videos that I created, you would know for a fact that, I love staking the tokens that I get from projects, especially if I don't have any plans of swapping those tokens anytime soon, so that, you would still be able to get some rewards out of that. But again, you have to make sure that you are, investing in a legitimate project. That way you will not burn your funds. Okay, so Pepe Palm Beach has communicated a goal of pursuing listings on multiple centralized exchanges, while also communicating their community participation that is remaining as the central theme of the project. So it reflects on their slogan MAPA. So this one right here, let me show that to you here. So MAPA, make all Pepes affluent. So that is what that means. Now you also have the MAPA economics right here. Okay, so I would of course strongly encourage that you include this in your research as well. So this overview is of course always intended for informational and educational purposes only. So make sure to also check out their white paper. This is like, I would say, the encyclopedia of the entire project, because it has a ton of information that will help you get to know more on who they are, what their plans are, what they have done, what are the plans in the future, and what are the ones that are still in the pipeline. So as you can see, you have the executive summary, the legend, blueprint, and a lot more here in their white paper. So go ahead and check that one out. And of course, if this is your first, make sure to consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of the new uploads that I will make in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.